This is how you create your Apple developer account. If you want to publish apps to the App Store, this step is non-negotiable. First, head over to developer.apple.com and click Account at the top right. Sign in using your Apple ID or create one if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, click Join the Apple Developer Program. You'll land on a page explaining the benefits like app distribution, beta testing with test flight, and advanced analytics. Hit Enroll, then click Start your enrollment. You'll now choose between enrolling as an individual or an organization. If it's just you, select individual. Organizations need to provide a DUNS number and some legal documents, so individual is usually the quicker route. After that, you'll enter your contact details, agree to Apple's legal terms, and pay the annual $99 fee using your Apple ID's payment method. Once it's processed, you'll officially be in the developer program and you will get access to all the tools and certificates needed to develop and submit iOS, macOS, watchOS, or tvOS apps. And that's how you create your Apple developer account. If you get stuck at any part, feel free to drop a comment and I'll try to help you out.